Hi to all Rotary fans, hi to all Rotary owners. Welcome to my second valuable video. There is a link to the description below for my first one. This video won't be about basic maintenance of a rotary engine, changing oil every 5000 km, warming the car, keeping a healthy ignition system, etc. We'll go really deep with a series of videos with this topic, and this video is part 1. Will be links below for the next ones. Just to let you know, first, I have a superior engineering education with excellent academy degree, and second, I have passion and a lot of love for this unique car. Those two reasons made me create that YouTube channel and serve all of you through my learnings and all my test modification to my RX-8. So if you want unique and valuable videos for rotary cars, especially for RX-8, support this new channel, subscribe, give a like if you like this video, and press now the bell icon for you to get first my next video. Let's go to our topic now. The most of the rotary fans and owners know that the rotary engine produces a lot of heat which cause high temperatures. What most don't know is that this excess heat is the main sneaky reason behind rotary engine failure, although they keep it with a properly maintenance. Most of the people focus on the result of the engine failure in our case, but not to what really caused it. So I'm giving you that valuable information that the main reason for rotary engine failure with regular maintenance and care is the high heat they produce. That's why I strongly suggest you your cooling system to be the first chosen for updates, and then looking updates and modes for making it faster. A good cooling system, my friends, is the key after the proper maintenance to make a rotary engine to last. What do you think about it? Comment below and let's help together the rotary community. Let's see to that series of videos all we can do to really upgrade our cooling system. First, your most important part of your cooling system is your radiator, and your radiator is over here. How we can make it really efficient? Because it isn't. The original space behind the radiator is blocked by the battery box, which is located over here, and next by the big air masses intake box. This is not good because we have big restriction to the flow of the hot air which comes from the back side of our radiator, and actually that hot air is the heat of our engine that is absorbed by our cooling system and taken out from our radiator. So the better airflow we have, the cooler we keep our unique engine and the more it lasts. But in the original engine bay, as we said, the flow is poor. It's like you stand in front of an air fan. Can the air pass or flow through you? Of course not. So what we can really do to increase the airflow and take the most of our radiator? First step, we relocate the battery from that point to that point or to the trunk as I did it. There are batteries relocate kit for both options. I suggest you to relocate the battery to the trunk. It requires more job, but it's worth it for a bonus info that I'm going to share with you. I'm opening my trunk now. It took me about 4 to 5 days to have the job done because I didn't want just to relocate the battery. I wanted to make it look really cool. You can make it simpler by installing your battery from this side or to the next one. And it's time for my bonus info. It's better to relocate the battery to the trunk because there will last more due to the much lower temperature in comparison with the engine bay. High temperature is a big enemy of battery's life. According now the huge Mazda's air intake system, which was as we said located over here, I have replaced it with one called air intake system, as you see, and I chose the one of AEM company. By doing those two changes, relocating the battery and replacing the big original air filter with the cold air intake system, you have 4 benefits. First, we improve significantly our cooling system due to the better airflow, so that means lower temperature in our engine, and that parameter, as we said, will make our unique engine last more. Second, we increase our battery life if we relocate it to the trunk. due to the lower temperatures there. Third, we create a lot of space to work in our engine without having every time to remove the battery and the air filter to take it out, etc. And four, our engine bay looks really cool. That's it for the part 1 video. Wishing you all the best, enjoy your unique rotary car, and please don't forget to subscribe now and give a thumb up. Have a nice day, all the best.